What's today's date? Oh man, those mountains look beautiful in the distance. Ah, boy. It is Saturday, January 22nd, 2023. I am in Nuuk, Greenland. It's actually not as cold as you might think. And compared to yesterday, it's actually much warmer. It's like right around 28, 27 degrees Fahrenheit. But we got a significant amount of snow. And you're saying that it is going to snow pretty much non-stop until tomorrow morning. This is why you get an Airbnb that's walking distance to everything you need. To grocery stores, to restaurants, to bars, everything you need, get an Airbnb in walking distance. So right now, it is about 9:30 a.m. I am going to go get some breakfast at Biscucci. Oh, hi puppy. Hi puppy. So this is Biscucci. I don't know if they still charge for Wi-Fi because the last time I was here I brought my laptop and wanted to work, but they charge you every 30 minutes, I think it was. Per 30 minutes you have to pay for the Wi-Fi. So it wasn't a very conducive place to kind of just bring in your laptop and getting a couple hours work done. All right, we got some bacon, some little mini sausages, scrambled eggs, and some toast. This is an American breakfast, as they put it. So I would prefer an English muffin and some hash browns, but yeah, it is what it is. So I finished my breakfast and then decided to go on a little walk. It is very, very windy and it is snowing relatively hard, but the saving grace is the saving grace is that it's actually not that cold. It's right around the freezing mark. And compared to what it's been for the past several days, it's actually relatively warm. It's pretty much blizzard-like conditions. Whoa. Almost got hit by a taxi. Visibility is not good. Now, on days like this, I do wish I had a car so I could go walk around. I'm in a bus stop getting a little bit of shelter from the, dare I say, blizzard. I don't know what technically constitutes a blizzard, but it's windy and it's snowing. And that personally, that sounds like enough for me. This, this is pretty cool. I mean, when I think about the things I do, the type of places I dreamed of being, and like I love Arctic places, I love cold places, I love winter places. And here I am in Greenland in the middle of a significant snowstorm. I won't say major snowstorm because by Greenland terms, maybe this is not that major, I don't know. But for me, this is pretty awesome. Still have about a good 3 or 4 hours of daylight left. So conceivably I can go home, charge up the batteries and come back out, still get some good stuff. There's not a lot of people in the streets. I don't know if that's because it's Sunday or if because the weather's not that nice, or maybe a little from column A, a little from column B. This is downtown. Visibility is not that good. What I think is funny is that this area of Nuuk, a lot of the locals, they call it the city. If you talk to locals and you ask them, like, where's the nicest hotel in all of Nuuk? Oh, it's in the city. And when they say that, they mean this, Hotel Hans. And when they say the city, they mean like these 2 blocks. So you can see Hotel Hans right there. It's a grocery store. Brosen is right up here on the right. Stay inside, Addie. Do not go outside. You ever decide to do something and you think this could be the legitimate thing that kills me? I mean, I feel pretty confident that I can survive a walk downtown and a walk back, but if I don't think anybody will be saying, wow, that was so unexpected. What they'll be saying is, why did that idiot decide to go on a walk? And you might be thinking, why is this idiot going on a walk? It's because it's there. And how often do I get to go on a walk in the middle of a blizzard in Greenland? And this might be the last and only time in my life that I am ever able to be out and experience this beautiful, beautiful phenomena called a blizzard. And again, the saving grace is that it's not that cold. Into your face, it's really hard to navigate. By the time you see this, hopefully there'll be a video up. God. As I put my head down, walk forward, look up when the breeze stops. All right, let's go. All right, well, at least the path, oh, I spoke too soon. I was saying at least the path is clear. It's not clear by any means. I came into the Brosen looking for goggles. They don't have any. Here's a look outside. That's what we got to go back out into. This is the main street right here. So, all right, let's go home. Brought a good pair of boots. I don't know how it is, but like my feet have stayed really warm. So these boots, which are just a pair of Timberlands, have really been great. So the battery died in my last video, and I didn't get to say a proper goodbye. And then was really torn because I didn't know how I was going to do a proper goodbye on the video, because that's one of the things I've been noticing from my videos is that I don't do a proper sign-off. Often I just end the video when you least expect it. In order to do a proper sign-off, I'm going on another walk. The road is actually a little clearer. It's actually easier to walk. I guess they've shoveled. I don't know how much snow is actually falling and how much is just blowing around, because there's a lot of wind. This time when we get to the bottom of the street, we're going to hang a right. Down here's the water. So we're going to go down. We're going to look at the beautiful water on such a beautiful day. The last time I came to Greenland, I stayed down this road about 3/4 of a mile and then on the right. During that trip, I had a car, and it was because it took 20-30 minutes just to walk downtown. And on this trip, I purposely made sure that the house I stayed at was walking distance to everything I needed. And I'm glad I did that, because with this weather, I would hate to have to dig out a car. You can hear it because the water's not frozen, so you can actually hear the waves. Last time I came, it was in October, and I went down to one of these beaches here, and there was a fair number of glaciers in the water. Now it's January and I don't see a single glacier in the water. I'm sure they're there, I just don't see them. Oh shit. Definitely should have worn my reflective vest. I had to climb up for a little bit. I hear that noise. It's really spooky. I don't know what happened to it now, but now I'm at these apartments here. These apartments aren't too far from where I'm staying. I know where we're at exactly. So, do you hear that? That is a freaky noise. It makes me feel like I'm in a horror movie. Maybe I'm not in a horror movie. Maybe it's like I'm in The Terror, which I guess was a horror show. It's about this ship that gets stranded in the Arctic while it's looking for a way through the Northwest Passage. I don't know how much it has or hasn't recorded, but one of the main reasons I came out here is I wanted to do a proper sign-off for a video. I've watched a few of my videos. Well, I mean, I edit them, so I watch them, and I've noticed that I don't have a proper sign-off for a lot of videos. I really hope my GoPro's working, but until next time, which will probably be tomorrow, take care, and I'll see you then.